with JMC by your side, that's the way to be.
Green views all around, feel the calm, feel the power. Invest smart with JMC, this is your hour.
Divine, divine, our Barari shine. Luxury living, future secured, it's your time. From Dubai to the world, watch your wealth grow high. Buy smart with JMC, reach for the sky.
Flexible payment value so real. 40 now, 60 later, that's a smart deal. Limited collection, only 291. Janaka Management Consulting #1.
Green community, prestige address. JMC connects you to the best.
From downtown lights to peaceful nights, with Janaka Management Consulting, reach for the sky.
Divine, divine, our Barari shine. Luxury living, future secure, it's your time. From Dubai to the world, watch your wealth grow high. With Janaka Management Consulting, reach for the sky.
Golden Visa, Springs Mortgage made easy. JMC, support smooth and breezy. Free to buy, tour gold in your hand. With Janaka Management, you got the plan.
Divine, divine, our Barari rise. Private pools, prime views, premium life. Secure your future today, decide. With Janaka Management Consulting, JMC, invest with pride.
Invest smart and enjoy more.
Secure your Dubai future.
With Janaka Management Consulting, JMC.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anand, and I'm here today at Business Bay at Bay Square, and I'm at the offices of Takmil Development. I'm here for the exclusive launch of Divine Al Barari. Now, this is a developer with over 30 years of experience in the UAE, and they've handed over 1,000 homes and more in the UAE. So let's check out and see what this project is all about. As you can see, Divine Al Barari is set within Dubai's lush green spine, offering 291 units across 17 floors. The design is modern yet timeless, with broad balconies wrapped in greenery and natural light. Location is key, just minutes from Global Village, Dubai Hills and Al Barari, with direct access to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. What really excites me about this project is the lifestyle it promises. With over 32 facilities, including wellness pools, an aqua gym, yoga decks, family gardens, co-working spaces, and sports courts. This community is designed for complete living. From an investment standpoint, this project, Divine Al Barari, makes perfect sense. It ticks every box with an anticipated annual rental yield of over 7%. With a strong growth outlook and Dubai's safe and tax-free environment, this project is a winner. What makes it even better is anticipated handover is in Q2 of 2028. So that gives investors flexibility in terms of time, as well as making a very high return on equity at handover. So there you have it, Divine Al Barari by Takmil, where design, wellness, and community meet. To me, this isn't just about homes. It's about creating a legacy and a lasting lifestyle.
Divine Al Barari, resort-style living with pools, gym, and 30-plus lifestyle amenities, fitness and sports, mixed-use gym, outdoor gym, yoga area, jogging track, multi-purpose sports court, mini golf, table tennis, archery area, community and lifestyle, co-working space, concierge, 24/7 security, nature and family spaces, family garden, zen garden, picnic area, kids play area, leisure and relaxation, sunken seating, cabanas, shaded seating, smokers lounge, residence cafe, party lounge, viewing deck, sun deck, water and wellness, beach pool, lap pool, kids pool, infinity leisure pool, kids splash pad, jacuzzi, steam and sauna, aqua gym, outdoor showers.
In the heart of green and gold, where luxury meets the soul. Presented by Janaka Management, consulting JMC.
Wake up to the skyline, nature at your door. Private pool, smart homes, tell me what you want more.
From studios to penthouse, living large, living free with JMC by your side, that's the way to be.
Green views all around, feel the calm, feel the power. Invest